Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my top nude lips. Liners, liquid lipsticks, stick lipsticks, even a gloss. So if you guys are interested, a lot of people ask me all the time, what lip is that? That's like the #1 question I get is, what are you wearing on your lips? What's the combination? Da, 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 da. This video is for you. These are just my combinations. I mix these a lot. I always find new lips. I literally have. These are all of just nude liners that literally you would think are the same, but they're not the same. And I did all the hard work by finding the nudes, so I'm sending you the nudes. Sending you the nude list, okay? My top nude lips. Let's get into it. Alright you guys, for the first lip, we are going to be using Kylie Cosmetics Ice Latte Lip Liner. And if you want to overline your lips like I do, as you can see, my lips aren't as big as they are in certain Instagram pictures. I do get lip filler. I've only had it twice. Sometimes I feel like my lip filler is up here, like a little, like in the skin part, if that makes sense, and my lip color didn't stretch as much, like at least when it goes down. So what I do, you just have to watch because we can't talk and do it. I go right over the line, but then you don't want to overline over here. That's what's gonna like give it away. Great. As for the bottom, I do the same thing. Overline the bottom, but as we get to the corners, fill it in. And what I do is fill in a thicker border, and then I take my finger and blend it. So that is Ice Latte. Oops, dropped some shit. Be right back. Then for the lip on top, I'm going to take KKW Nude #1, just a light peachy nude shade. Put it in the center like this. Blend it out with my finger. Then I just go back on top. As you guys know, I always clean up my lip with a little bit of concealer. That is lip #1. Now keep in mind, all of these lips are gonna look pretty similar because they are my favorite nude lips. I like a similar vibe. These are just things that they are slightly different tones. Trust me, I've bought a million nude pencils, but they aren't the same because if you know, you know, you know? So a lot of these may look similar, but you know, find the one that you like the best. And next, I'm gonna take Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner. This is really similar to Ice Latte. It's basically just like a little bit darker than Ice Latte. Next, I'm gonna take KKW Nude #2 lipstick. As you can see, this lipstick has been loved. To me, this color is more of a true nude. Alright you guys, this is Morphe Sweet Tea combined with KKW Beauty Nude #2. I really like this combination. This is my old go-to. Morphe Sweet Tea liners always sold out at my Morphe. It's like $3 or something for a Morphe liner. Such a good deal. Guys, I just moved and I feel like all my apartment neighbors can hear me and I'm scared. So if I'm talking quiet, that's why. Alright, on to the next nude. Next liner is going to be Kylie Cosmetics Caramel Liner. The reason I bought all these liners is because they were having a $5 lip liner sale, which is similar to Morphe's prices, so I was like, and guess what? I fell in love with all of them. This one's definitely like a lighter shade. What if I was like, and then I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill lipstick? Just kidding, guys. You know, it would have been a pretty color. On top of this caramel lip kit, I'm actually gonna use MAC's Honey Love. I'm thinking we should do a gloss. I really like Buxom's Peach Daiquiri lip gloss. It's very peachy and it kind of brings more of a nude back in. That is Kylie Cosmetics Caramel with MAC Honey Love, and then Buxom's Peach Daiquiri. Next we are going to use, I swear you guys, this is not product placement. I'm going to be using a Kylie liner, Kylie Cosmetics liner, Kylie, and we're just going to do the same thing. I put this one all over the lip because that's what she recommended with this combination. And then I'm actually going to use the lip kit in the shade Kylie. So this is a pinker shade. Put it in the center and then blend it out. Alright you guys, this is Kylie lip kit. This is more of a pinky color. The pink in the center with the nude on the outside kind of gives it like that freshly bitten look. If you guys like more of pinks rather than browns, this would be a perfect lip color for you. Alright, for my final lip, this is actually my favorite. I'm going to be using Kylie Cosmetics liner in Coconut. And then for on top, I'm going to put Marc Jacobs lip, what is this called? Liquid Lip Cream in Fawn Over Me. This is definitely my favorite right now. It is Coconut Lip Liner with Marc Jacobs Fawn Over Me Liquid Lip Cream. And that is it for all of my top nude lips. If I'm being honest, I mix these combinations quite frequently, but those however many products, maybe like 7-ish products that I listed, I mix them together and create different lips all the time. If you guys like them, then let me know which one you plan on getting. And yeah, thanks so much for watching you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you later.